Good morning once again, students. In the last video we have seen how to solve this P&L appropriation account, and we have seen the calculations here. You can see here. Now what is remaining? We have funded out the profit. Now journal entries we have to pass on. Now see in the question, it is written you have to do the entry which is related to the appropriation of the profit. It means only this one entry is asked. So if it is like this in the exam, you will make this P&L appropriation account and you will pass this only one entry, this one, because they are asking entry for the appropriation of the profit. What will be the entry? As you have seen in the previous videos, see it is in the debit side, so in the entry it will go in the credit side, and debit side what will come? The name of the ledger. What is that? P&L appropriation. So what will be your entry? P&L appropriation account DR to A is current, B is current and C is current. This is the entry asked in the question. Okay, but for your practice I am making all the entries here. We will do all the entries in this question, not only one. So start from the here, this one. From where we are bringing this profit? We are bringing this profit from the P&L account, right? So do the first entry. See again it is in the credit side, entry will come in the debit side. P&L account DR to P&L appropriation account. How much it is? 1,72,000. Reason? Being profit transferred. Being profit transferred where? From P&L. First entry. Always you should write the first entry, transfer entry of the profit from the P&L account. Now come to this side, in the debit side, you can see the first entry. This complete thing, it is in the debit side entry, it will go in the credit side. Debit again, what will come? The name. What entry will be there? P&L appropriation account DR 2. See, you can see here 2, interest on capital. Just write the main item. What is that? Interest on capital. Write the total. You can see 20,000, 20,000. We are not showing individually here. Which account will show? We will show these individual entries in the capital account, not in the P&L appropriation. Here we are directly taking the totals. What will be the narration? Very important thing. Generally you are not writing the narration. And you remember in this board exam what was asked? Narration was given and the entry was asked. CPSC is every time doing something new, something innovative they will do. Generally you are not habitual, so please make a habit of writing the narration always. So write the narration. What we have done? Being interest on capital transferred to P&L appropriation. These are the closing entry. This is actually the closing entry of interest on capital. Third one. Similarly, you can see C is provided the salary. So write the third entry again. P&L appropriation account DR to C is salary. How much salary C is getting? C is getting 12,000. So write here 12,000. Same, being salary transferred to P&L appropriation. What I am saying, these are closing entries. If exam they are asking closing entry, you should pass the entry of the P&L. This is also confusion in the students. They don't understand that which entry has to be passed. If closing entries are asked in the question, you should pass the entry of the P&L appropriation. If all the entries are asked, you should first pass the entry from the capital account, then you will pass the entry from the P&L appropriation account, right? So this is the third entry. Then fourth one, what we have done? We have funded out the profit. Since credit was more, we have got profit in this question. And this only one entry is asked, but just for your knowledge, I have given here all the entry, only this one entry is asked. This one. This entry they are asking for 1 mark, it will be. Pass the entry. P&L appropriation account DR 2. Why we have taken current? Why we have taken name be current? Because in this question, what is the type of the capital? Type of the capital is fixed. So take A is current account, B is current account and C is current account. How much? 50, 44 and 46. 50, 44 and 46, like this. What is the total here? 1 lakh. This entry was asked beta in the question. Okay. Being profit transferred to partner's current account. To partner's current accounts, like this. Don't forget to write the narration. In this way we have done this question number 51, page number 2.86. 2.86 page it is from Grewal. Right? Have a view. Note down the entries. Please focus on entries. Generally CBSE is focusing on this thing in last 2-3 years. Right? Now let us take some more questions for practice. Let us take question number 53. Question number 53, page number 2.87 we are taking now. Just I am showing the question. You can take the screenshot if you are not having the books. First let us rub this. Practice 8 to 10 questions daily if you want to score in accountancy. It cannot be done during the exams time only. Right from day 1 you have to be very sincere for your work in all the subjects, not only accountancy, every subject. If you want to score above 90%, then yes, now have a view of the question. Those who are having books, please read question number 53, page number 2.87 thoroughly. Have a view of the question. Those who are not having books or using some other books, please take the screenshot. You know very well how to take the screenshot. Which type of capital is there? Read the question thoroughly and just see. Their capital stood as. You can see capital balances are given 1 lakh, Amit, Binita rupees 2 lakh, Charu rupees 3 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. What is decided by them in the deed? That interest on capital will be 5% per annum. Then Amit would get a salary of rupees 1. Now this I was telling in the previous question. See here, this thing is very important. Per month. In the previous question it was annual. If it is per quarter, you have to multiply by 4. Here you will multiply by 12. Third point, Binita would receive a commission at the rate 5%. This point we have studied in 11th also. You remember or not? We will see while solving. 5% of the net profit after deduction of commission. Do you remember the after and the before? We will see while solving the question. Then you can see 10% of the net profit. Of the net profit, not the divisible profit, it is net profit. would be transferred to the general reserve. Before the above items were taken into account, profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 5 lakh. Prepare P&L appropriation account and the capital accounts. Yes, here in this question you have to prepare the capital account. Also in the previous question we have prepared the appropriation account as it was asked in the question. I hope you have taken screenshot or you have noted down the question. Now let us make the format and start solving this question. Make the format. What is asked in the question? See the last line in the question, it is clearly said, prepare the P&L appropriation account and the capital account of the partners. So make the format of appropriation account. This is question number 53, page number 2.87. Make the format of P&L appropriation account. Which type of capitals are given in the question? After reading the question you have understood which type of capital it is. Nothing is mentioned regarding the current balances or like that. So which method it is? It is the second method. If nothing is given, what I said, if you remember, if nothing is mentioned in the question regarding the methods which has to be applied in the question, by default it will be the second method, that is fluctuating capital account method. So start doing that, and when the method is fluctuating we are making only the one account, that is partners capital account. Partners, side by side I am making the format of the partners capital account also. See how many partners are there? Amit, Binita and Charu. 3 partners are there. Amit, Binita and Charu. Particulars: Amit, Binita and Charu. Which side it is? Credit side. Write credit, debit, both accounts. This is credit, this is debit. Have a practice of making the formats properly right from day one. Now we are proceeding towards the question. See how much capital they have invested. I am writing somewhere in the 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Capital invested by them. Where it will come here? By balance BD. See, nothing is given regarding the balances, so by default it will be a credit balance. As I said, अगर debit balance होगा तो definitely it will be given in the bracket debit. Nothing is given in the question. By default it is a credit balance. 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 3 lakh, like this. These balances are never coming in the appropriation. Please don't write in the appropriation. These are capital balances, so we will write in the capital account in the credit side. Now see the first item. They would receive interest on capital at the rate 5% per annum. Interest on capital कितना होगा? 5% per annum. Interest on capital, it will be given to the partners. This expense for the firm, it will come in the debit side. Interest on capitals. How much? Amit, Binita and Charu. Find out the 5%. How much it is coming? See, calculate. Calculate by your own. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Find out the 5%. Vinita, 2 lakh. 2 lakh 5% it will come 10,000. Then 3 lakh ka 5%. 5 3 is 15. How much it will come? 15,000. Do the total. Write in the outer column. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 10 30. Write 30,000 here in front. Right. Similarly, you can transfer at the same time here also by interest on capital. If you will do like this na, you will not forget any item because side by side we are transferring here also. 5,000, 10,000 and 15,000 like this. Then next item, Amit would get a salary of rupees 10,000 per month. They are saying per month. Amit is getting salary, only one partner is getting salary. To Amit's salary, how much he is getting? What is given in the question? How much he is getting? 10,000 per month. It means 10,000 multiplied by 12. Right? How much it will come? 1,20,000. Transfer it side by side, so we will not miss any item. Generally item एक आधा छूट जाता है. By Amit's salary, 1,20,000. They are not getting put dash dash, or you can write nil. Next one, what they are saying? Binita would receive a commission 5% of the net profit. यानी कि net profit का 5% you have to calculate. How much net profit is given in the question? See, before the above items were taken into account, the profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 5 lakh. 5 lakh profit is given. Write the profit by P&L account, bracket profit. How much? 5 lakh. इसका कितना परसेंट लेना है? 5% लेना है. By which method? What they are writing? After method. After deduction of the commission. If you remember in 11th you studied, there are two methods of calculating the commission. One is the before method and one is the after method. Before कुछ भी नहीं करना था. Normally हम क्या करते? 5 lakh multiplied by 5 upon 100. But if it is after method, then what you have to do? 5 lakh multiplied by 5 divided by 105. Like this you have to take. Find out somewhere in working note. Commission. How much commission it will be? 5 lakh multiplied by 5 divided by 105 will take, because they are saying after deduction of the commission. Do the calculation how much it is coming. Find out the commission कितना आ रहा है. Calculate. It will come 23,809 point something. ऐसे कुछ आ रहा होगा. 23,809 point something. 23,809 point. What it is coming? It is coming 0.52 like this. It is coming something. So हम क्या करते हैं? Instead of taking like this, we will do round off. हम इसको approximately लेते हैं 23,810 like this. Right? So right here, who is getting the commission? Which partner is getting? Binita is getting the commission. So right here, to Binita's commission. To Binita's commission कितना आ रहा था? Approx 23,810. Right? See, this is after method. इस पे ध्यान दो. This is after method. After method. ठीक है? After method में हम क्या करते हैं? Just rate को 100 में add कर देते हैं. Like this we are doing. So please remember this thing. Then see the next point. What they are saying? They are saying 10% of the net profit. Of the net profit, again this is very important. कुछ क्वेश्चन में बोलते हैं net profit directly, कुछ क्वेश्चन में बोलते हैं divisible profit. Divisible होता तो पहले मैं इसमें से ही सारे आइटम माइनस करती, जो फिगर आता उस पे मैं परसेंट निकालती. लेकिन they are saying of the net profit तो डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेट करो. To transfer to reserve. To transfer to reserve. इसका 10% सीधे सीधे 5 lakh 10%, please find it out. Directly you will get it 50,000, 10%, right, of the net profit, 10%. 10% of NP. We have calculated the commission here. We have seen here approximately it is coming 23,810. We have taken like this, right? And this transfer of profit directly we have transferred 10% of the rupees 5,50,000. If it is divisible profit, you have to first subtract all these items, then you have to calculate the divisible profit, then you will take the 10%. So please concentrate on the every line of the question. That only I said, read the question carefully. कि NP का है क्या divisible का है. If you are in hurry, you will not focus on that particular word. You will again lose the whole question. दो कि आपको आता है, right? So we have transferred here. Similarly, salary we have transferred, right? Then again, what is remaining by Vinita's commission? How much Vinita is getting the commission? 23,810. 109 point something था. You know the rule of the, you have studied in maths, अगर point के बाद में 5 होता है या 5 से बड़ा digit होता है, तो what we are doing? We are adding 1 here, right? In this now at this place. 5 से छोटा होता तो directly we can remove also. These rules we are applying here. So I have taken 23,810 and I have transferred in the capital account also. This transfer to reserve, will it be transferred? No. Why it will not be transferred? Because now they have just transferred to the reserve. At some future date, when they will decide according to the agreement, they will distribute. Finally मिलेगा partner को ही, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल नहीं दिया जा रहा directly. So we will not transfer this item here. See, I transferred the items जो question में बोले थे. Now find out the answer. एक बार वापस check कर लो, we have taken all the items or not. Now do the total here again. How much total is coming? You can see. Total, see drawing is not there, interest on drawing is not there. होता तो definitely हम question में लेते, right? नहीं है तो just write the total. 5 lakh. Subtract these items. 5 lakh minus 30,000, minus 1,20,000, minus 23,810 and minus 50,000. करो calculation. How much it is coming? To profit transferred to which method it is? Normal method, fluctuating method. So it will come in the name of capitals only. In the name of partners, Amit capital को transfer करेंगे. Amit's capital. Calculation करो. Tell me the calculation. I am not doing. Just do and tell. Then Vinita's capital. Don't wait. Just do the calculation and write the answers here, what they are coming. And who is the third partner? Charu. Charu's capital. कितना आ रहा है? 5 लाख में से माइनस करो. How much you are getting? I hope you are getting 2,76,190. Right? Now see the ratio. As we have seen, we are distributing in the profit sharing ratio. क्या दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में? Nothing is given regarding the ratio. Neither question is saying in this particular PSR, nor the question is giving the information regarding that it will be shared in the ratio of capital. कुछ भी नहीं है. तो मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? That always we have to share in the equal, right? Equal. All the three partners will get. इसको equal कर दो. Again यहाँ problem आएगा. You will divide by 3. ये 3 से divisible होगा नहीं. फिर अप्लाई द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट आप अप्लाई करके देख सकते हो. ये 3 के टेबल में नहीं आ रहा है इसका टोटल. इट मींस इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. तो आंसर विल कम इन द पॉइंट. नो प्रॉब्लम. अगेन वी विल डू राउंड ऑफ. डिवाइड दिस बाय 3. व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग? यू आर गेटिंग लाइक दिस 92,063.333 like this we are getting, right? 92,063.33. तो ये 33 है तो ऑब्वियसली मैं इसको रिमूव कर दूंगी. मैंने क्या बोला अभी आपको? लेस देन 5 डिजिट्स तो वी विल रिमूव. बट हमें हमेशा टोटल का ध्यान रखना होता है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. इसे आई हैव टेकन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑफ पॉइंट. यहाँ कई बार बच्चों को अगेन कंफ्यूजन रहता है कि पॉइंट में कैसे लेंगे, राइट? तो हम क्या करेंगे? ये 3 हम हटा देंगे. 3 पार्टनर्स हैं 0 6 3. अब देखो 3 + 3 6. अब मैं यहाँ 3 लूंगी तो टोटल में 9 ही आएगा, लेकिन हमें टोटल में कितना चाहिए, 0 आना चाहिए, 10 आना चाहिए, मतलब तो हम क्या करेंगे इसको 9 2 0 6, एक को हम 4 ले लेंगे, क्योंकि 0.33 को जब हम ऐड करते हैं तो 0.99 हो जाता है, विच इज एक्जैक्टली अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 1। तो मैंने हम क्या कर दिया, इसमें 1 ऐड करके इसको मैंने 92064 कर दिया, ताकि हमारी टोटल, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, जो हमारी टोटल है वो एग्जैक्टली इतनी आनी चाहिए 276190। अगर आप तीनों को 3 3 ले लोगे तो आपको यहाँ पे 0 नहीं मिलेगा, आपको 9 मिलेगा, ठीक है। फिर आंसर में डिफरेंसेस आएंगे, इसलिए आपको इन चीजों का ध्यान रखना होता है बेटा, when answers are coming in point, right? So please note down the answer here, 92063, 92063, 92063, इसका हमने कितना बोला 92064, like this, total 5 lakh both sides, like this, right? Now since we are getting the profit, transfer profits here by P&L appropriation account, bracket में लिखो profit, how much, 92063, 92063, 92064। एक बार चेक कर लो whether you transferred all the item properly, क्या कोई आइटम रह तो नहीं गया। Balance we have taken, interest on capital we have transferred, salary we have taken, Vinita's commission we have taken, ये लेना नहीं है, profit भी हमने transfer कर दिया, ठीक है। Neither drawing is there nor interest on drawing will be applied. Now do the total of the capital account and find the answers. इसका total करो and find out the balances. Total करो how much it is coming, then find the balance. Please do the total. 3 lakh plus 15,000 plus how much it is, 92064, 92064, how much it is getting, 407064, 407064, like this. Then to the total of Vinita, how much it is coming, देखो टोटल करो, 2 lakh plus 10,000, 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 10,000 plus 23,8110, यानी कि 2 lakh 10 plus 23 plus 92063, how much it is coming, 233,810 plus 92063, 325,873, 325,873. Similarly, do the total of Amit, 1 lakh plus 5,000 plus 1 lakh 20,000, 1 plus 120, 220, 225 plus 92063 करो, 2 lakh 25,000 plus 92063, how much it is coming, 317,063, 317,063, like this. Please check the totals. Check the total once again. Two lakh 10,000 plus 23,810. Plus 92,063. Yes, it's okay, these are correct. Now just here no item is there, you can see, if drawing is there, interest on drawing will take, nothing is there, just close it to balance. CD same and same figures will come here, 317,063, 325,873 and 407,064. These are the balances which are transferred. Do the total. 317,063, 325,873 and 407,064. like this, right? In this way we have made both the accounts, P&L appropriation account and the partners capital account. See, journal entries are not asked in the question, right? It does not mean कि आपको करना ही नहीं है. For your practice, I will suggest you people at least बीच में alternately questions में practice करा करो all the journal entry. ठीक, we have seen in 2-3 questions. Please practice in this question also. Just orally, just we are discussing the entry. Again, first entry, what you will write? If you want to write, please note down the entries. I am just recalling here orally. First entry, बेटा pay attention here. This one transferring entry होगी हमेशा ये वाली. What will be the entry? P&L account credit में है, again debit में जाएगा. Entry क्या बनेगी आपकी? आपकी entry होगी P&L account DR to P&L appropriation account 5 lakh bracket में being profit transferred from the P&L. First entry, right? Second, अब आपको ये entry पहले नहीं करनी है generally. आपकी habit में क्या रहना चाहिए? First you will do the entries from capital account because actually distribution ये है. These are the closing entries, right? Closing entry I am saying, remember the names. So pass this entry first of all. ये entry क्या होगी? Interest on capital is in credit side. Now it will go in the debit side in the entry. आपकी second entry क्या होगी? Interest on capital account DR to Amit capital, Vinita capital, Charu capital along with their figures. Total डाल दो interest on capital के आगे 30,000. Second entry then इससे related transfer entry कर दो ये वाली. P&L appropriation account DR to interest on capital being in closing entry for interest on capital. It is transferred to P&L appropriation, right? Then next entry, Amit is getting salary. Do this entry. It is in the credit, again go in the debit side. Salary account DR, Amit salary account DR to whose capital it is? Amit's capital. Salary account DR to Amit's capital 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Now come here again this and closing entry. Next one. यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? Being Amit is provided salary. Then here P&L appropriation account DR to Amit's salary 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Being salary transferred to P&L appropriation account, right? Next one, please note it down. Next one, commission की entry आएगी. What will be the entry? Being by, you can see here who is getting only? Vinita is getting. So Vinita's commission account DR to Vinita's capital account, commission account DR to Vinita's capital account 238110, and here it will be P&L appropriation account DR to Vinita's commission being transferred, commission transferred to P&L appropriation account, closing entry 23810. Write the entry properly along with the narration always. Then next one, this entry या आप यहाँ से ट्रांसफर करो, चाहे आप यहाँ से पास करो, चाहे वहाँ से पास करो, you will get the same entry. P&L appropriation account DR to Amit's capital 92063, Vinita's capital 92063, and Charu's capital 92064. Right? In this way, we have passed the entries. All entries we have discussed orally, though it was not asked in the question, but just for practice, I have taken all the entries orally. In previous question also we have written here. Now we have discussed orally, right? If any problem you are facing, please do write in the comments. Okay, it will be solved. If any query you are having in this particular question or any other query related to this chapter. So today we are ending this video here. We will do some more questions of this particular two methods in the next video. Right? Okay, bye.